I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Fit battery. First, gather your tools: a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Safety is paramount, so put on your safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your Honda Fit is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set before you begin. This ensures a safe working environment for everyone involved. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating the negative terminal, which typically has a minus sign. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable. Always disconnect the negative cable first to avoid any accidental sparks. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal, which is marked with a plus sign, and remove that cable as well. With both cables disconnected, it's time to remove the old battery. Unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures it in place. Batteries are heavy, so lift it out carefully to avoid injury. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors with your brush. Now, gently lower your new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits flat and securely. To connect the new battery, reverse the order. Attach the positive cable to the positive terminal first, then connect the negative cable to the negative terminal. Use your 10mm wrench to tighten both connections securely, but don't over-tighten. Apply a small amount of anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. Finally, start your Honda Fit to ensure everything is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.